Welcome to the ultimate Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro unboxing and review. Inside this sleek package, we got everything you need, from a fast 67-watt charger and durable transparent case to all the essentials that make this phone truly stand out. Stick around as we dive deep into its stunning design, powerhouse performance, and innovative features that redefine what a flagship selfie phone can be. Don't miss a second. Let's get started. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro comes in a sleek special box, including a data cable, user manual, and a transparent protective case. It also features a 67 watts power adapter with a Type A output for fast charging. The new Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro takes refinement to the next level, boasting the most premium design in the Civi lineup. With Leica-inspired camera tuning and a deep sense of style in its DNA, this phone blends aesthetics with innovation. It shares the same compact 7.45mm slim body and 73mm width as the Xiaomi 15, ensuring a comfortable in-hand feel. The wraparound metal frame and subtly curved edges create a seamless transition to the back, balancing sleekness with elegance. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro features a unique floating mirror design on the back, seamlessly blending with the panel in a nebula purple finish, an elegant nod to galactic dust and swirling interstellar cyclones. It's like holding a dreamy miniature cosmos. Don't miss out on my latest review of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII, Sony's newest flagship smartphone. I've just uploaded the video, so make sure to check it out for an in-depth look at its standout features and performance. Up front, a 6.55-inch micro curved display on all sides boasts 1.5K resolution, 3200 nits peak brightness, and flagship-grade Fie in-pixel wiring with 2160 Hz PWM and DC dimming for eye comfort. True to the Civi series, portrait photography remains its standout strength, all backed by balanced all-round performance. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro now features the Leica Summilux optical system, inherited from the Xiaomi 15 series. It reduces glare and dispersion for clearer, more refined images. At its core is the flagship Light and Shadow Hunter 800 sensor with a wide f1.63 aperture. It also includes the same Leica floating telephoto lens from the Xiaomi 15 60mm equivalent f2.0, with autofocus and enhanced zoom clarity even at long range. While the main sensor remains unchanged, image quality has improved significantly, now supporting up to 13.3 EV high dynamic range for stunning detail and depth. Photo samples show delicate color gradation and smooth transitions. The ultra-wide f1.63 aperture lets in more light, delivering cleaner night shots and natural bokeh with lifelike light and shadow in portraits. The 60mm floating telephoto lens captures detailed landscapes and architecture even when zoomed in, thanks to advanced algorithms. Ideal for social media, this golden portrait focal length highlights facial features, outfits, and gestures while keeping the background rich in context, adding depth and storytelling to every frame. The selfie-focused Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro features a 50-megapixel ultra-sensitive front camera with groundbreaking ultra-transparent nano prism technology. Without changing the sensor size or lens design, light sensing has been boosted by 25%, significantly enhancing image clarity and low-light performance. Night selfies now appear brighter, cleaner, and more detailed, with improved light-shadow balance and better separation between subject and background, delivering studio-like portraits even in the dark. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro takes AI-GAN beautification to the next level, offering refined, natural results without the typical overprocessed look. Skin appears smooth, radiant, and full of light. It also introduces a fun new twist on live photos. You can customize the cover frame and duration, convert videos into motion photos, and even collage or style them in the gallery. Plus, live photos can be shared directly on social media, making it easier than ever to share vivid, expressive moments. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro is powered by the latest sub-flagship Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, codenamed Little Supreme, built on a 4nm process with an all-big-core architecture. It scores over 2 million on Antutu and delivers 9984 single-core and 6900 multi-core on Geekbench 6. In gaming, it handles Honor of Kings at 120 FPS with near-perfect stability, 120.1 AG FPS, 99.56% fluency, and Genshin Impact at 59.94 FPS with minimal jitter, 0 0.36. With efficient heat dissipation, it ensures smooth, enjoyable gameplay even under heavy load. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro isn't just powerful, it's built for endurance. It features Xiaomi's latest GSR battery with an impressive energy density of 854 watt-hours per lellers, packing a 6,000 mAh capacity into a compact form. On the connectivity front, it includes Xiaomi's flagship Xingchen communication system with surging T1, T1S chips and AI-powered multi-network integration. The result, enhanced signal strength, faster 5G, and next-gen Wi-Fi 7 support for smoother, more reliable connectivity. The Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro runs on HyperOS 2, with AI woven into core features like voice memos and instant screen search. It identifies landmarks, animals, and plants, and can even turn still images into dynamic wallpapers. For Apple users, it breaks ecosystem barriers. Via the Mi Internet Service app, you can cast your screen to a Mac, sync clipboards, and even use your phone mic, bridging Xiaomi and Apple like never before. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the Xiaomi Civi 5 Pro. From its elegant design and powerful performance to innovative features like AI-enhanced selfies and seamless Apple integration, this phone truly sets a new standard in its class. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.